Right here, let's get straight into it. Comb down my hairs. Right. Alright, to start off, I'm gonna need y'all to keep your head straight, because if your head's down, the lineup's gonna look like this, right? If your head's up like this, it's gonna look round like that. Keep your head straight, right? Now we're gonna start from the middle and work our way to the corner. And don't slant the trimmer, put it straight, follow along. Now for the vertical bars, what you're gonna do, put it like this, right? And then match it up with your eyebrows. Make sure you match it up with your eyebrows. Like this, right? Boom, match it up with your eyebrows so it's straight down, right? Your eyebrows right here, match it up like that, straight. Just like so. It's coming along. So next side, like that. Just like so. Just like so. Now for the C-cups, what you want to do is start right here on the top of it, right? Not right here and just go like that. Start right here. Boom, make a straight line like that, right? So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna comb it down real quick. All right. Boom. All right. All right. Now, what you wanna do is put the trimmer like this and use the corner. Go like this in a motion like that, right? Go like this. And now connect everything. Boom. Now, to make it sharper, crispy. This is no enhancement lineup. This is all natural lineup. Next side now. Perfect lineup, symmetrical. Now for the back, I suggest that you guys get a 3-way mirror. I don't have that right now, but it would be very hard to like sit on the counter and do it like this, because the mirror is different and you like it's like inverted and it'll kind of mess you up. So I suggest you guys invest in a 3-way mirror. And this is what the back's looking like for me right now. So yeah, undo the corners. When I get the 3-way mirror, I'll make a tutorial on how to line up the back, and I'll remake this video. But for the front, this is how it's looking. This is no enhancement. If you have a pencil for enhancement, you could use that. I have one right now. I could just throw it on real quick. So now I'm just gonna draw on the lineup softly. This is just to give it that pop, you know? If you don't have this, it's totally fine. See how crispy that it looks? Uh-huh. Now I'm gonna line it up again. I have a cowlick here, so I didn't mess up my hairline. I have 2 cowlicks here that go up like this. So if you have a cowlick, just follow along in a straight line. Don't go up. Don't try to push yourself back and line it up all the way back here. Just follow the line and don't tilt it. Put it like this. So this is the end of the tutorial. If you all found it helpful, make sure you like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that. Just trying to help you all out, you know. Yeah, more tutorials to come. Make sure y'all stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'm out.